Wait right there. Wait. Ease up on it. Ease up to it. Take a step. Get closer. No, that's too close. Back up. Back. Now turn around. No, turn the other way. Take a step. One step. No, that's too many. Take a step. Take one more. No, that's too close. All right. Now, ease up on it. Ease up to it. No. All right. Now, you can't get it, but you can touch it. Get just a little closer. No, it's too close. Back up. Okay, just a little bit closer. All right, I'm going to count to 3. Now, when I say 3, you get that toy. But don't you get it until I say 3. 1, 2, 4, 6. Okay, I'll be nice. 19, 21, 47, 3.